Are you ready to transform tax season from a headache to a breeze? Welcome to SK Financial, where we're about to unravel some tax tips and tricks that will not only save you money, but also significantly reduce your stress levels. And here's the best part. Our prices are just unbelievable as compared to our services. So let's dive in. Ever felt like you're leaving money on the table come tax time? You're not alone. At SK Financial, we specialize in uncovering every possible deduction and credit to ensure you get the maximum refund possible. Here's a tip. Keep track of all your receipts and expenses throughout the year. You'd be surprised at how much you can save by claiming every eligible deduction. But our expertise doesn't stop there. Managing expenses is key to financial success, and we're here to help. From budgeting tools to personalized strategies, SK Financial empowers you to take control of your finances, save more, and stress less. One trick we recommend is setting a monthly budget and sticking to it. Small adjustments to your spending habits can lead to big savings over time. Now, let's talk pricing. For individuals, our tax preparation services start at just $250. That's right. For less than the cost of a fancy dinner, you can have your taxes handled by professionals who know the ins and outs of the tax code. And for businesses, our services start at $550. Whether you're a startup or a seasoned enterprise, SK Financial has you covered. With our expertise on your side, you can focus on growing your business while we take care of the numbers. So why wait? Contact SK Financial today at skskfinancial.com or call us at 1-813-322-3936 and let us be your partner in financial success. Say goodbye to tax season headaches and hello to peace of mind. SK Financial, where tax tips, savings, and stress relief come together. Let's make this tax season your best one yet.